from there to there. Yeah, this one's bad. Not that bad, but still not. Can't believe I'm cutting off all this beautiful curl. All the tenons I picked, this one's gonna be the hardest. Now the boring part. Ten or so holes per side. 20 of these drills. Installing a water heater. So there you have it. If you want to see detail on how I'm building this, on the second channel I'm actually going to be going through and talking it through what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and what's going through my brain. So you can see that on Wood by Wright 2. I'll leave a link to that up in the cards and down in the description below. And I'm having a lot of fun with this. I'm looking forward to next time. You can see I have one of the arches in. We'll be doing a video on the arches and starting to put in some of the verticals in between the headboard and the footboard. But I'm liking the way this is going. Also, I will be having plans available for this on my website eventually. If this is an older video now, you'll see a link to those down in the description below. Otherwise, if you're watching this new, then they'll probably come out closer to when we're almost done with the bed. And I'm looking forward to seeing if other people want to take on this challenge. So I hope you like this, and I hope you notice that my channel doesn't have any sponsors, and that's not because no one's offered. I don't actually do sponsors on this video. I want this to be completely what I say. So if you want to help out, there's patreon.com, or you can click the join button down below. That really does help make the channel better. So if you did like it, please like, comment, subscribe, join on YouTube. Really helps out the channel. That's about it for today. Until next time, have a wonderful day. So if I were to take this thing and I were to put it on top of a VW Beetle, would that make it a bed bug?